When I say DIY, I have two choices. Either I can repaint this whole wall, patch this and do that, but I come across a latest trend, which is this wall cladding. Easy to do it yourself and gives your home a new look. Step one is I need to measure the wall for the cladding because it has a good height and thickness. I don't need to remove the cornice and skirting, and I can still install this in here. Let's measure the wall now. Oops, I think I need a ladder. I know my measurement now, so let me show you how to cut it. Let's see how this fits into that wall. I think I did pretty good job. It fits perfectly. Can you see this bit here? I don't like that, so I'm going to chop that off as well, so it makes even finish. See, it's this easy to take off. Flush finish now. It's seamless here. Step 2 is let's put the glue on. Now let's install this.